Hello and welcome to the channel, Easy Digital Art. Today I'm going to show you how to create some chess pieces. They're going to be abstract and they're going to be used on the chess boards that I showed you in another video. Those boards you can customize and print out on a color printer and either laminate them or print out the board on a adhesive paper and then put that adhesive paper onto a regular board or out of wood or particle board or even cardboard, and then you have your own little custom chessboard. So let's begin. I'm going to start creating some pieces. Insert, shape, and the first one's going to be the bishop. So I'm going to give me that piece. I'm just going to use the fill, which is not going to be like full dark, full black, and not gray. Fix position, shape outline, no outline. Okay, so that's the first piece. Next piece. Let's see what we have here. Okay. I'm going to turn this around, making the knight. That's the head of the knight, the horse. Let's go and find another piece here. Okay, we'll take this piece. Shape fill, shape outline, no outline. Doesn't really matter, but I'm doing it anyways. So now there we go. Just a little bit like that. Okay, so now we're going to have to group these. Okay. And you'll have to see how big they should be. I don't know exactly how they're going to be on your chessboard. You might have to do some trial and error printing. This one, let me make this one a little bit bigger, like so. Now, what's the other piece we need? Okay, we're going to need the castle. I'm just going to take one of these pieces and shape fill. Okay. And then just copy this. Copy, paste, make it small. Just see. Okay, that's perfect. It's going to be the first part. I'm just going to copy this now. Three. And then align horizontally. Yeah, that's a little bit better. I'm going to go select objects. And then shape object group. Make it fixed position. And let's give it, I'm just gonna, if I can copy this, I don't know this middle part, copy. That would be good. I'll have to align it. So go shape format, align, Line center. Okay, line center. That worked. Okay, perfect. Just gonna group these. And okay, so now we need the king, queen, one here. Cross at the top. Gonna have to bring that in a little bit. It's the same shape. And then select objects. And group them. Go with a square. Like so. Shape fill. No fill. Shape outline. Black. Shape outline. Weight. Gonna have it like that. That'll be one piece. Let's just say align bottom, align horizontally. Now I'm going to copy these like that. Paste them here. Now this is going to be shape fill white, and this thing here is going to be shape fill black. And now you have to go send to back. Actually, we're going to use this selection pane. That makes it easier. So we have a rectangle. Okay, so we know we're going to work with the rectangle. Okay, you can do these separately, of course. I have to do it the hard way, the way I'm doing it. But so for the rectangle, okay, it's going to be black, shape fill, black. For the trapezoid, and this, I guess you have to do each one separate. Trapezoid, shape fill white, and then the other one, it's called flow chart, but shape fill white. Okay, now this whole thing, rectangle, we're going to take the rectangle. That's what we need. That's what I was doing wrong. And they're going to go send to back like that. That's easier. I have all the pieces now for the chess set, and it's just a matter of scaling them for the printer, and then you can laminate them, and that's it. Thanks for watching.